Hi everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about a point which I've seen so many times and so many parents have come to me with this problem, which is very fundamental and crucial, which is reading. They don't just know how to get their child to read. And this is really an interesting point because when you look at life, everything that we do, it includes reading. You have to be able to read to be able to understand and to come along into this life. So if your child cannot read, what's going to become of that child? And if your child also don't know how to read, it also means that you are not really supporting your child effectively to develop their reading ability. If you have jobs to go there, you have too much work to do, it's still your responsibility to take care of your child's education because they are part of you. You can send them to school, you can send them to a private school or whatever, but they are still your children. They are still your responsibility to get them educated. But why can't children read nowadays? It's because when you look at the way our children are educated in school, they are not really supported effectively to develop that reading abilities. And what happened is that from 0 to 7, it's where the child is mostly open to receive new informations. Most of the time at that age is that children are not supported very effectively. Parents just take their child and put them in front of the TV and think that TV is going to educate their children, which is not the case. What TV is doing is that they are programming your child to become a consumer of the society. They will say, yes, but we have Disney movie for children. That's really the point, is that those movies are programming your child to become just like those Disney movies. Now you see your child only wanting to be like a princess. There is nothing bad about a child trying to be a princess, but if they really believe that, then that's the problem. That's why you have to consider this to support your child very effectively to develop their reading abilities. And the school system cannot do that because when you look at a school, in a classroom you have, I don't know, 10, 15, 50, 100 people, 100 students in a school, depending on where you live, in a classroom, and only one teacher to take care of them. How many times can that one teacher give to every child to support them to develop their reading abilities? Right here I'm going to show you a video of two children. One of them is just 18 months, and they can recognize the alphabet letters. Look at it.
Saka, what's this letter? Seneca, what's this letter?
H, that's right.
What's this letter? W.
It looks like a W when it's like that. What is this letter, Cindy? M, that's right. Ask her some more.
Seneca, what's this letter? C.
That's right. What else? What's that one?
P.
P.
D.
Is that D?
C.
P and D.
P.
What is... Hey, Cindy, what's this letter?
A.
A. What's that one, Sunny?
Now here's a video of her brother, which is not even 5, but can read effectively and also understand what he's reading, because this is also a very crucial point, not just to read something but to also understand what you're reading. So here's Max.
Dad, we need a plan. A plan?
What comes next?
Wait. We need a map. I have a map. Get that map. You cannot go for a drive without a map.
Uh-huh.
I have the map.
What is that little word?
Map.
What's the other little word?
Zap.
Okay, what's next?
Drive, drive, drive. Drive, drive. Drivey, drive, drive.
Hey, what about the other part? What about this part? On this side.
Mappy, map, map. Mappy, map, map.
Nice.
Wait, it might be sunny while we drive. We need sunglasses. I have sunglasses. Get those sunglasses.
What is this little word? The little one.
Zip.
Okay, what's that part say?
Bringing sunglasses on a drive is smart. Plan.
Nice.
Wait, is he wearing the sunglasses right?
Yes. What does it say?
I had the sunglasses.
Nice. Oh boy.
Drivey, drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Sunglasses, sunglasses, sunny sunglasses.
This is a silly book. Okay, what's next?
I don't know. You might wait. Wait, it might rain while we drive.
Uh-huh.
Wait.
What?
We need umbrellas. I have umbrellas. Get those umbrellas!
I like how you're yelling when he's yelling. Why are you saying that? Because it's all capital letters?
Yeah.
We've never read this book before. We just got it in the mail. Okay, what does that say?
Make a plan and stick to it was what I say.
Is what I say.
I have the umbrella.
Oh boy.
Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Umbrellas, 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 umbrellas.
Hey Max, have you ever read this book before?
No.
Did we just get it in the mail? Yep. But you can read it so well.
Wait. We have so much stuff to plan. We need bags. I have bags. Get this bag.
Wait, what's the little word? You see a little word?
Zip.
Zip. What's it say?
You cannot go wrong without a good plan.
Without? What does it say?
A good plan.
What does it say before a good plan?
With a good plan.
Nice. What does it say?
I got the bag.
Does it say I got the bags?
I have the bag.
Nice.
Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Bags, 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 baggy, bags, bags. Wait,
Oh yeah?
there will be a lot of driving on our drive.
That's true.
Wait, we need a car.
Yeah, we're just gonna finish this one and then we can do
I
it.
said we need a car.
That one's called.
You
We're
have
in
a car,
book.
Piggy? I'm no. I'm a pig. A pig would. If a car would be silly. That would be silly. Do you have a car? I do not have a car. Oh no! We have everything we need for a job. Except the car. Our plans are ruined.
Very nice.
Katie,
Yeah.
why is it twisty when you're saying it?
I think that's like to sound sad, like our plans are ruined. That's these books with Piggy and Gerald. They use those kind of like signifiers to let you know how to read
now
it.
what's he like?
What does he say?
It's like, what are we going to do now?
You like it, Cindy?
No, what did they do? Wait.
Let's find out. You're reading this whole book.
No, it isn't.
What does it say?
We could play pirate.
We could play pirate.
Huh? Who needs plans when you have a pig for a paw?
It's a pal. Pal is like a similar word to friend. So he's saying, who needs plans when you have a pig for a pal? Arg. Arg. That's what pirates say. Arg.
What's Gerald like?
He's like, he's got his little pirate eye patch on. They're using their sunglasses as eye patches. And they made a boat out of their suitcases. And the map is their sail. So they're just pretending now because they realized they didn't have a car. So now they're pirates, look.
What's happening?
They're pirates now because they couldn't be, hey look, that little bird is from the Max books. I didn't know that. I wonder if it's by the same person. Mo Willems.
Read it again.
Okay.
What you just saw are the result of what we are doing with TechnoTutor. TechnoTutor is a tool that supports you and your child because your child mostly learn from you. And if you're not very, very stable emotionally, which means you are educated, because if you are emotionally unstable, your child is going to learn that. Your child is also going to become emotionally unstable. So you have to educate yourself as well so that you're going to support your child very effectively. And what you just saw in those videos are two children who are really supported effectively to develop their reading abilities, their ability to recognize letters and then words, because in order to read the words you first have to recognize it and then read it and then understand it and then know what that means. That's why TechnoTutor really supports your child with that, and also yourself with that, and also it helps you and your child develop and maintain that natural learning abilities. Some parents also say that the child is going to learn by their own. That's really not the case, because if you take a child, a newborn child, like a 1 month child, and you send that child to China, that child is going to become a Chinese, which means the child is going to learn the Chinese culture, it's going to speak Chinese, Mandarin, and behave like a Chinese, have a culture of a Chinese. And if you take that same child and you send it to the US or to Europe, that child is going to learn whatever is being taught in that culture. My point is that you have to direct your child's education. You cannot let that to anyone else. You have to direct it by yourself, because it's going to determine the person they are going to become in the future. Because when you look at people like Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg, their parents did direct their education. They are not geniuses, they are not special, but their parent directed their education. Because people like Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, they could read at age 6, 5, 7. At that age, Elon Musk, at the 12, he read all the books in his library and started reading the encyclopedia. That's what you want to develop to your child. You want to build their vocabulary at an early age so that they can then be able to read everything and anything that comes their way. And that's the only way you can then know that you have developed your child's vocabulary so effectively. And the more their vocabulary is developed, the more they are going to succeed in life, because success in life it's also based on your understanding of the world and of the society. And if you want to know about how you as well can use TechnoTutor to support your child effectively and yourself, then just send me a message and I will talk to you. That's it for this one, and talk to you soon.